Do you know that you can schedule your Facebook post for your personal Facebook profile? Now, this can be done, but of course, first of all, you need to turn your Facebook profile into professional or content mode. This feature does not apply if you do not have a professional mode. Okay? Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me show you how you can schedule your post for your Facebook profile. Let's go. So right, first of all, open up your Facebook app. Now this option is only available for professional mode. If you have not turned on professional mode, I have a video to show you how to do it. Alright, so turn on professional mode first, then you can schedule your post. So let me just create a post. So you can, at the top there, you can see what's on your mind. Click on it. So I can just create something, what's on my mind. So I just put a post here, and now I want to schedule this post. Okay, without professional mode, the word is immediately post, not next. Okay, so I click on next. And then you can see here, scheduling options, click on it, and then you can see schedule for later, click on it, and then for example, I want schedule for, the next day, click on saved, and then you have to go back, then you click post, and wait for it to be posted, and you see here, your post is scheduled. So you can click on manage, and then it will open up the post that you have scheduled. But where do you find it? Okay, where do you find all the posts that you have scheduled? How do you manage it? So it's the same place as where you manage your posts. Click on the bottom right. For Android, it's on the top right. You click on menu, then click on your profile. Okay, for example, this is my profile, Ken Ang. So you can see I'm in professional dashboard. Scroll down, you can see here the word called manage posts. Click on it, and you can see the post that is being scheduled. So this is the post that I've scheduled, and this is my previous post. So for example, I just want to delete this because I do not want to post this. So you can hide from timeline, remove text, etc. Just click delete. And you can see that you can't edit. Be very sure, just check it out and then have a look. I think computer you can edit it, but you cannot reschedule it. So there's no option for you to reschedule the post. You can only delete it in your phone. So I just click remove, delete. So yeah, so that's how you can schedule your posts and also manage your posts in your Facebook profile. Again, first of all, you need to change it to professional mode before you can do this. So yeah, change it to professional mode and try scheduling your posts ahead of time. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this.